Hello family, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Just want to share with you what's going on at Hobby Lobby. They have reduced their earthenware, their clay pots. If you're like me, I'm a terracotta girl. Okay, so I'm going to start over here. Like this pot here is it was $4.99. It's in the floral section. This was $4.99. So these are half off, and they're $1.99. It's an interesting shape, and it says here cancer and reproductive harm. Okay, so I guess they're just giving us a notice. Okay, and then this one here, this round one, isn't it beautiful? And they all have a little drainage hole here. This as well, this was $4.99, and it was reduced your price to $2.99, $3. And I love to garden, and I love terracotta. But a notice about terracotta is, you keep it out in the summertime, long as it stays like in the summer and the spring, as long as it's warm. But then it doesn't if you goes from hot to cold, then you could get some cracking. And when you go to the store, make sure you look through all of them. Make sure you get the ones no cracks. Because a lot of people, when they go in the store, they're just just throwing these things around. So there's cracks. And then in shipping, there could be some chips on it. So, this right here, that doesn't bother me. But if I see a crack, look inside and out. Okay, now these were 99 cents. This pot here. So I got 4 of each. This pot here this was $2.99, $3. It's $2, $1.99. And then you got some starter pots. Here, these were $3.99. These were $4. You get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 for $2, $1.99. You'll see the tags on here. And once at Hobby Lobby, once the tag's on there, they don't just go back and remove the tag. Once it's there, it's there. This batch, for some reason, they put it on sale. Okay, then you get the little saucers. These were $2.99 originally, and they're $1.49 for, let's see, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 saucers. So, you can drain your little starts here, your small plants. Then I got some slightly bigger saucers here. These were $3.50, $3.49 originally, and they're $1.99, $2 for 6 saucers. And then this size saucer is 99 cents each. If you can see that. Okay. And I got about 6 of these, $6 for these. These are great. All right, so just wanted to share that with you. This is for my terracotta lovers. These are so beautiful. You put some succulents in here and put these on when you're dining outside this spring and summer. You just put your plants in here. I'm growing flowers, but if you just buy some starts or buy some flowers and put it in here, that's your centerpiece this spring. Keep it natural and beautiful and easy. Okay, guys, I just wanted to share that with you. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I appreciate your support. And if you're new to the channel, hello and welcome. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers tribe. And hit that like button if you like it. And make any comments, suggestions, ideas in the comment section, okay? And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye. Bye, Mom.